Now in this video, we're going to talk about the best ways to make YouTube thumbnails. Now, if you really want to find out how to make YouTube thumbnails, now this is the right video for you. Now, I'm not going to jump onto the laptop and show you how to do it. This is not the video for that, but I've got videos for that. So I'm going to refer you to those videos that I can show you on the laptop exactly how to walk you through it. But this is an introduction of just explaining to you how video briefly how the best ways of how the best ideas of how to make YouTube thumbnails. But now, what's a YouTube thumbnails? What is a YouTube thumbnail? If you're new to this video, if you're new to my channel, my name is Israel, and I usually make videos about YouTube tips about YouTube, how to start a YouTube channel, how to crush it, how to grow from 0 subscribers to 1 million, how to get views, YouTube views, and how to grow from a small YouTuber to one of those big YouTubers that you see, and start monetizing and make money off your YouTube and out of your creativity. Now, the YouTube thumbnails this is one of the things on YouTube that really bring in impressions. The first thing to get a view, in order to get views on your video, you need, and lastly, to get a subscriber, because to get a subscriber, you need to get a view, and then you need to turn that viewer into a subscriber. But before all that, before you turn someone into a viewer, you need this impression. You need them to click onto your video. But before they click on your video, they need to, what attracts them? What brings them in? What attracts them, entices them into clicking onto your video? The same way you look at a product in a store, in a beauty store, you walk in, you look at a new product, it's new, you've never seen it before, and you wonder, what is this about? Now, the first thing that attracts you to walk to that shelf and look at that product is its label outside. It's its label. Now, that one is a thumbnail. That one is its thumbnail. Now, when you're in a bookstore, then you look at magazines. What entices you to buy a book or to go open a book and read it? You first look at the cover photo. The photo on side, the cover page. You look at the big title and what it says, then it entices you. Then you open that book and then you end up buying it. Buying it is being a subscriber. Opening it is being the viewer, to view and see what it's about. Then when you go through the table of content and you see the content, how it looks like, you get the whole view of what the book is. Then to go deep in it, you become a subscriber by buying that book. Then it becomes yours, then becomes permanently yours. So now, in order to turn people into subscribers, you need them to view your YouTube video. Now, to turn them into viewers, you need to make sure that you entice them and to attract them into clicking onto that video of yours. And now, this is where two things, the thumbnail and the title. Thumbnail and the title are two things. People are visual, they visualize, they like looking at pictures. Yourself, when you open a magazine and you're on that queue at that office, busy waiting on the queue to move, maybe you're at the dentist, or maybe you're at the surgery, or at the clinic, or waiting for the queue to move, and there are magazines sitting there on the table there, just laying there. You grab that magazine, you open it, first thing you're gonna see is go through it by watching the pictures. You'll watch the images, look at the images. You won't even read. You'll look at the cover page, then cover page you'll say that's the one I want to pick and read. You start looking at images. People are visual. They look at images. Now, the thumbnail has to attract someone into clicking onto your video. Now, this is where now thumbnail comes. Your first impression is where it is someone clicking on your video. Now, when it comes to making a thumbnail, when you upload a video, don't just see many videos that are sitting on top of YouTube. There are many videos that look, people don't even worry about thumbnails. If you're a YouTuber and you're serious about YouTube, you need to give your video a thumbnail, a cover photo. that attracts someone to click on your video. Now, I see people upload videos and they just choose one of those 3 thumbnails that YouTube chooses. They select which one, where they are frozen, and they are frozen funny. Some some pictures are even blur, some actions are even blurry and stuff. So don't choose that. Don't let YouTube make your own custom thumbnail. Making a custom thumbnail shows how serious you are, because the custom thumbnail, you'll always have a logo. You get to put on a logo. People will notice your face. If you put your face on each and every thumbnail. Put your face. Don't take a small pic when you're so far. No, bring a big one. I'm going to give you an example. You see, but zoom it until it's right here. Then you kind of like right here. So zoom it. Every thumbnail of yours, people should get used to seeing you. Say, for instance, if you set up a YouTube channel and you customize your channel, your page, your whole account, you customize it. You put your profile picture. Don't make it. I would advise you not to put a logo there. Put your face. YouTube loves to see you. YouTube algorithm scans everything of yours, the whole account. So YouTube loves to scan, and when it goes to the profile picture, it can see you. When it goes into your video, you are the one talking. If it goes to the cover, art cover whatever that goes, the banner, your face is there. On your banner, put your face, put your picture. Your picture is there. Everywhere on the thumbnails, it's your picture. All over, it's you. Then YouTube knows who this channel belongs to. But then now, if you put a logo, if you put something else that is not even on your other social media, YouTube gets an impression of maybe this is not the person who owns this account. So sit still. Bye-bye.